This past weekend, I wanted to do train operations, but nothing was working right. In my room here, I don't have the AC on, and it gets so hot in here. I think that's what's part of the problem. But come next week or so, I will have a better AC and we'll be able to keep it cooler in here. But I do have two new covered hoppers and a new Santa Fe diesel locomotive. Looks like a nice engine, good detail as usual with the Katos. First time running it. Looks smooth. Runs good, just like the other Katos. Let's see if I can back up and hook up to this first siding here. I think it gets so hot in here, the heat expands the track in some areas possibly. The wire that comes down as the brake hose or brake line, I noticed those were hitting the switches more and causing the trains to derail. This one looks good. Just a few more cars to get, and I think I'll be set. I also did a little bit of upgrade on the panel here. I redid the numbers for the block sections, so that looks a little neater. But at some point, I think I might want to redo the whole thing. Put the switches and the blocks themselves for the power instead of using the Atlas controllers. And I switched up the coal train. I have the BNSF engine pulling it now, and the Norfolk Southern pulling a few box cars. I have some ties up here and some rail. I think I'll get some more train workers put up in this area. And still got my hobo going along for the ride. And past the hobo camp here. Maybe some more workers in this area as well. And possibly some more up here. Alright, let's see if I can back this in without derailing anything. there you have it. That's Cato engines. This Bachmann is running all right. I'll keep that on the track. There's a couple more cars to get, and I'll be set